Dang. Look at that.
It's Oreo cookie dough time. Let's go. You're gonna add all your ingredients into your bowl and mix to avoid clumping. And then you're gonna add your almond milk in there periodically. Mix probably like 2 to 3 times. You're gonna need to just slowly add it in there and mix until you have that cookie dough like consistency. It's gonna be a little bit more runny than it's gonna be because it needs to thicken up in the fridge. Then you're gonna add your crushed reduced fat Oreos. I use 1.5. Then you're gonna add to your dish of choice, and then optional, add a little bit more Oreos on top if you're feeling a little crazy. Add to the fridge for about an hour to thicken up, and then it is time to enjoy, my friends. This is such a weapon to have in the craving crushing toolkit. That is it's bomb.
Oh my, what the?
Fruit Loop Overnight Oats. These things will have you feeling like a kid again. Alright, everything you need is right here. In a mason jar or sealable container, add in your oats and your chia seeds. Now I'm using the fruity cereal from Legion because it tastes like the milk from a bowl of Fruit Loops. You can use vanilla, it just won't have as much of a Fruit Loop flavor, but it's still pretty good. I used a 1/4 cup of milk. If you don't like your oats thick, you can use a little more. Add in your Greek yogurt, give that a good mix, and pop it in the fridge overnight. Portion your Fruit Loops out into a Ziploc bag. You want to wait to add these until right before you're ready to eat because they will get soggy. So the next day when you're ready to eat them, pour in your Fruit Loops and you're ready to go. If you like Fruit Loops, I promise you'll love these oats. If you have a sweet tooth, you can even keep these around for a little snack between meals. Enjoy!
I made my cookie baked oatmeal for breakfast once again. I love this recipe because it's only sweetened with bananas and chocolate chips, but it really satisfies my sweet tooth. All you need is oats, half of a banana, an egg, your milk of choice, baking soda, and salt. I like to blend it all up, but you don't have to. And then you just pour it into an oven-safe baking dish topped with chocolate chips and bake at 350. It is literally like you're eating dessert for breakfast, but it's low sugar, gluten-free, and dairy-free. Recipes in the caption.